Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by stabilizing the net door and gathering tools so you can work confidently. Safety first. Start by supporting the door on a block or with a helper to prevent strain. Next, remove visible handle and latch screws with the appropriate screwdriver and keep parts in a small container. Once done, check for a screen spline or rubber bead around the mesh and gently pry it out with a flat tool. This exposes the internal frame fasteners and lets you proceed to hinge removal. You now tackle the heavier work, the hinges and frame. First, loosen hinge screws starting at the top so the door doesn't shift. Always keep one hand on the door until the last screw is backed out. If you encounter pop rivets, drill their center with a bit slightly smaller than the shaft and then pull the remnant with pliers. Once hinges are free, peel apart frame halves or corner clips carefully. Make sure to label fasteners so reassembly will be straightforward, and inspect seals for damage as you go. You finish by lifting the net door straight out while a helper steadies it, then set it aside on a protected surface. Inspect the doorway. Clean the frame, remove old sealant or debris, and check the strike plate alignment so a new door will fit. Store all screws and small parts in labeled bags for reuse. If things go wrong and the new or reinstalled door sticks, check hinge mortise depth and look for warped frame pieces. Replace any bent hardware to restore smooth operation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.